Christ College High School Department awarding of Certificate of Completion for Junior High School 2016-2017. Presenting the class of 10A. B. C. NG. H. And then I. And now, let us welcome the most outstanding students for school year 2016-2017. Michael Benjamin Morco, Jerry Ross Leadership Awardee, accompanied by his parents, Mr. Nelson Morco and Mrs. Jocelyn Morco. Jacob B. Lim, Bronze Medal Awardee, accompanied by his parents, Dr. Bill Lim and Mrs. Heidi Lim. Christian Anabesa, Bronze Medal Awardee, accompanied by his mother, Mrs. Maria Kay Anabesa, and sister, Maria Chanel Anabesa. Don Russell Lim, Bronze Medal Awardee, accompanied by his parents, Mr. Henry Lim and Mrs. Christina Lim. Daniel Paul Lee, Silver Medal Awardee, accompanied by his Joyce Heidi J. Ong, Gold Medal awardee, accompanied by her parents, Mr. Jerry Ong and Mrs. Janet Ong. Let us welcome our school administrators. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the entrance of colors.
Good! Lahat masulong! Good!
Please remain standing and join in the singing of Lupang Hinirang, our national anthem, to be led by Terence Yasay of 10A.
Bayang Madilim, Taawit.
Please be seated. Distribution of Certificate of Completion to junior high school students of 10A by Dr. Dory Poa, President of Chiang Kai-shek College, to be assisted by Mrs. Cynthia Yap. The students of 10A will be presented by their advisor, Mrs. Monette De Feo. They will be presented by Ms. Zenaida Borja.
With pride and honor, I present to you the students of 10A who have successfully completed the requirements for junior high school. With high honors, Anabesa Ling Don Russell, with high honors.
Pinakaayos ng pinto.
With high honors, Ong Joy Saidi. The following students are with honors. Ang Patricia Denise. Chua Allen James. Chua Rainer Timothy. Paul Camille Anderson. Paul Camille Bianca. Yula Sophia Rene. Go Abigail Lauriz. Go Jaden Iris. Go Pauline Christie. Quentin Melise. Now, Erica Angeline. Liam Galvin Rice. Lim Ivan Jerwin. Lim Jacob. Lynn Jasmine Elizabeth. Morpho Michael Benjamin. Ong Angelo Luigi. Hugh Jessica May. And Yasai Terrence.
Distribution of certificate of completion to junior high school students of 10B and 10C by Attorney Danny Chan, Vice President of Chiang Kai-shek College, to be assisted by Mrs. Yak. The students of 10B will be presented by their advisor, Mrs. Cristina de los Reyes.
With pride and honor, I present to you the students of 10B who have successfully completed the requirements for junior high school. Cheng Arian Hana with high honors. Bea Trisha Colin with honors. Kai Joyce Yuen Lam with honors.
Attorney. Attorney.
Cheng John Margaret with honors. Ching Alani Joy with honors. Chua Marjorie with honors. Chua Rain Kimberlin with honors. Del Monte Diana Erica with honors. Lim Stephanie Bianca with honors. Ongchan Phoebe Ashley with honors. Yu Jaslyn with honors. Peter. Chua Oswald Justin. De Los Santos Jedrick. Go Justine Angelo. Go Paul Xavier. Julian Jerry Prince. Lim Aaron Wesley. Nam Justine Pierre. Yup James Ryan. Ang Marilyn. Ang Naomi Tara. Asuncion Serilet. Bautista Alien Mara. Chan Stephanie Charlene. Chen Sherna Marie. Chua Hani. Chua Yasmin Dominic. Uy Kimberly. So Guyen. Uy Kate Ashley. And Wang Justin. The students of Tennessee will be presented by their advisor, Mrs. Felicidad Alterado.
With pride and honor, I present to you the students of Tennessee who have successfully completed the requirements for junior high school. Chua Henry May Sevilla with honors. Gao Queenie with honors. Ong Apple Jane with honors. Ong Darwin with honors. Chan John Raymond. Chua Jared Paul. Del Mundo Brixter. King Aldrin Bester. Mo Matthew Ryan. Ong Darwin. Ong Marvin John. Sia Patrick Daniel. Tan Timothy Jason Chen. Yu John Robert. Agulto Juliana Marie. Chai Lizelle May. Ko Cheska Marjorie. Kua Karen Angel. Flores Carl. Gan Angela Francesca. Ko Ayomi. Ong Kiko Sarina Bianca. Realeza Joanna Rose. Si Zuan Kimberly Kens. Tan Jerlyn Nika. Velasco Marian o Marian Antoinette. Lim Janine Dale. And Raspado Adrian Cristabella.
Distribution of certificate of completions to junior high school students of 10D, 10E, and 10F by Mr. Judelio Yap, Vice President for Alumni and External Linkages, Director, Administrative Affairs, to be assisted by Mrs. Brenda Ong. The students of 10D will be presented by their advisor, Mrs. Michelle Del Valle.
With pride and honor, I present to you the students of 10D who have successfully completed the requirements for junior high school. Ong Gia Lorraine with high honors. Chimakun Hong Janice Victorine with honors. Shindle Claire with honors. Mateo Princess Anne with honors. Rojas Arminel Marie with honors. Donado Edrian. Go Patrick Carlo. Lim Christopher. Nang Michael Stevens. Sopelana Kobe Darrell. Subnet Armstrong Allen. Tan Wilbert Jellison. Sai Jethro Lambert. Wang Johan. Sue Clinton. Yang Pete Dustin. Yap Mark Andrew. Yu Matt Edmond. Ang Joanne Yvonne. Chua Sofia Katrina. Conchada Mary Monica. Cruz Zarinia Nicole. Daguro Abigail. De la Cruz Neva Clienta. Escario Leanne. Go Irish Shine. Gopez Karen K. How Angelica. Lim Uriza. Lua Dina Julian. Melon Hajanet Lucy. C. Irish. Te Erin Claire. And Zan Shaina Joy. The students of grade 10E will be presented by their advisor, Mrs. Rosalinda Bonifacio.
With pride and honor, I present to you the students of 10E who have successfully completed the requirements for junior high school. Alikaway Ednalyn with honors. Cano Charlene with honors. Sistren with honors. Hal Mariel with honors. Shao Vivian with honors. And Audrey Lay with honors. Abelia III Leonardo. Consejo Rain Philip. Cabatuando Robert Ryan. Chan Jason. Chan Joshen Samson. Choi Chester Jerome. Choi Gill. Chua Jan Kim. De la Cruz Hardy Norman. Undangan Rafael. Hope Binmark Gentry. Limsico Leon. Manabat Ian Rohan. Nantan Wilbers Billy. Quiroga Leonard Pupupan. Chen Christine. Chua Catis. Chua Sheridan. D. Aryan Gale. King Maria Nicole Francis. Uwa Angelica Laika. Laburada Stephanie Clear. Lay Jani. Lim Renee Francesca. Lin Lee Chen. Loong Hannah Margaret. Samro Monica. and you, Erica. The students of 10F will be presented by their advisor, Mr. Jonathan Garcia.
With pride and honor, I present to you the students of 10F who have successfully completed the requirements for junior high school. Puben Angeline with honors. Cheng Jeline with honors. Chua Jocelyn Faye with honors. Go Eister Spencer with honors. Boom Caroline Ann with honors. Koa Danica Isabel with honors. Limsi Noredin Zaira with honors. C. Jared Bates with honors. Anunke Floyd Marnie. Castro Steven Gentin. Chi Jared Luis. King Richard. Ong Jeremy Patrick. Tan Lance Derrick. Tan Norbert Lincoln. Tandok Martin Bryan. Wang RV Justin. Yung James Dexter. Juang Lawrence Longkai. Blas Justin Joy. Kada George Sophia Lim. Kai Teresina May. Chanwon Shirley. Chowa Angelique. Kyla Angelique. Lam Joy Margaret. K. Kimberly Chelsea D. C. Lian Carmen. Tan Theresa. Tan David Garcia. Valencia Sally. Vitcher Shelly Ray. Wang Big An. And Wang Melanie.
Distribution of certificate of completion to junior high school students of 10G, 10H, and 10I by Dr. Roland Chua, Director, English Academic Instruction, and Registrar, Dean, School of Graduate Studies, to be assisted by Mrs. Marjeline Arbolado. The students of 10G will be presented by their advisor, Mr. Kennedy Umbao.
With pride and honor, I present to you the students of 10G who have successfully completed the requirements for junior high school. Javier Laika Marico with honors. Kai Juan Kai. Catalig Angela Luis M. Simanes Josh Jens M. De la Torre Stephen Wayne M. Entote Wayne Jansel R. Go Eric Rupert P. Mancilia Michelle Ryan Y. Samson Ivan Greg Ong. Campos Brian William P. Renshaw Matthew M. Wanya Christian Warren M. Wang Warren G. Soriano Aaron Angelo L. Go Henry Kimberly C. Vagos. Ho Tintin L. Javier Lam Angelica V. Lim Janelle Isabella B. Ocampo Bernadette L. Ong Bien Micaela Angeline L. Ongham Charlize G. Panelo Marie Sofia Ann Claire A. Sho Annalyn G. C. Jereen Carla A. C. Cheyenne Crystal P. Yup Stephanie Alisa S. And Ko Stephanie G. The students of 10H will be presented by their advisor, Ms. Maria Teresa G. Leonardo.
With pride and honor, I present to you the students of 10H who have successfully completed the requirements for junior high school. Mo Cindy with honors. Tien Grace with honors. Cruz Vince Christian. Goma Chonsi. Garcia Joshua Luis. Hernandizo Lance Edward. Hung Matthew Ellison. Kim Seri. Ong Kian Edric. Ortiz Brayerjan. Zeng Ronnie Mike. Paul Jan Cherry. Julia Francesca. Jean Aryan Janelle. Lynn Jaya. Lynn Jessie Marie. Nang Daniela Leslie. Marcos Marian May. C. Angela Elena. D. Shannon Denise. Theo Aliza Nicole. Theo Eliza Kyle. And young Josel Zarina Luis de la Fuente. The students of 10I will be presented by their advisor, Mr. Jose Norberto Limuaco.
With pride and honor, I present to you the students of 10I who have successfully completed the requirements for junior high school. Wang Claire Meloan with honors. Cheng Rigo Allen. Choi John Jedrick. Go Rafael. Lee Roy Maxon. Ong Jeremy. Ong Kevin Adrian. Rosario Francis Nicole. Tam Paul Jurek. Tolentino Joshua. Ormineta John Michael. Sanchez Joaquin Ray. Kabanatan Ann Margaret. Bualan Nicole Saison. Figueroa Erica Joy. Gange Charlene. Om Misha Green. Silvestre Therese Audrey Pax. And Yao Kiarami.
The recipient of medals, Michael Benjamin C. Morco. He will receive the Jerry Rojas Leadership Award to be awarded by Dr. Dory Poa President of Chiang Kai-shek College, and to be assisted by his parents, Mr. Menson Morco and Mrs. Jocelyn Morco. Jacob G. Lin. He will receive the Chiang Kai-shek College Bronze Medal to be awarded by Dr. Powa and to be assisted by his parents, Dr. Gilbert Lin and Mrs. Heidi Lin. Christian Anabesa. He will receive the Chiang Kai-shek College Bronze Medal to be awarded by Dr. Powa and to be assisted by his mother, Mrs. Maria P. Anabesa, and sister, Maria Chanel Anabesa. Don Russell Lin. He will receive the Chiang Kai-shek College Bronze Medal to be awarded by Dr. Powa and to be assisted by his parents, Mr. Henry Lin and Mrs. Christina Lin. Daniel Paul R. Lee will receive the Chiang Kai-shek College Silver Medal Award to be awarded by Dr. Powa and to be assisted by his parents, Mr. Danny Lee and Mrs. Jocelyn Lee. And Joyce Heidi J. Ong. She will receive the Chiang Kai-shek College Gold Medal to be awarded by Dr. Powa and to be assisted by her parents, Mr. Jerry Ong and Mrs. Janet Ong. She will also receive half scholarship from Chiang Kai-shek College. Inspirational message by Joyce Heidi J. Ong.
I would like to begin by acknowledging the presence of the college president, Dr. Dory Powa, Vice President Mr. Fidel Yap, Danny Chan, Dr. Roland Chua, our supervisor, Mrs. Cynthia Yap, teachers, parents, and fellow graduates, a pleasant morning to all of you. They say that high school is the best time of your life. Well, I can't say for sure. I haven't taken my senior high school and college education yet. But high school certainly affords me more freedom. In grade school, almost everything I did was more or less tutored to me by someone else, usually by my parents or my teachers. There existed a kind of control, which wasn't really a bad thing because they did that to guide me, to prevent me from making the same mistakes other people made, and to prevent me from getting hurt. And I really appreciate that, but it was stifling nonetheless. Come high school, I would often be left to my own devices, causing me to make more mistakes as I went. That is what I am here to tell you about, what I know about high school, and of what comes after. Mitch Albom said, each affects the other affects the next. The world is full of stories, but all the stories are one. I hope that you can find something that resonates with you in my story, something that makes my story a part of yours, just as in the course of our years together, bits of your stories have also become part of mine. That is my purpose for sharing it with all of you today, after all. In high school, I realized after much denial that I did love math. From that day on until today, my love for math hasn't faded. I admit that I am not that good in math, but it is a wonderful feeling to do something you love, to have something you love. I started out not too great. I started taking my math seriously later than the other members of the math training group. I was left behind, so I worked hard to improve my math, and it was very tiring. When other people get to have their weekends, breaks, after schools and vacation as their free time, I spent most of it, if not studying and practicing my math, then joining competitions to further improve my skills. It was very tiring, but I had fun. I may not be the best in the group right now, but I know that I did improve, and it feels good to know that I got better. There were a lot of times when I was devastated. I studied days for a certain competition, but then some genius walks by and missed the prize. Or maybe I'd be careless and miss the prize again. There were times when I thought that maybe I just wasn't cut out for this. That maybe I was still trying to meet the expectations of other people. When all this time I felt that I was finally free. When I thought I finally found who I was supposed to be. However, no matter how devastated, how discouraged I was, I just couldn't seem to let it go. I usually join various competitions every Saturday, but I rarely win. As a result, I am usually filled with jealousy and disappointment. But I don't think these feelings are bad. It is normal for anyone to have these because we are humans. What matters is how these feelings affect our actions. These feelings are what forced me to work harder because I wanted to have what they have. I wanted to do what they could do. I wanted to be better. It is obvious that everywhere we go, there will be someone else better than us, no matter how hard we try. But what matters is the fact that we tried, and we tried our hardest and our best. The effort may not always bring us the results that we are working towards achieving, but we can at least take pride and pleasure in the fact that we did put in the effort, and that can never be taken away from us. Today is our moving up ceremony, and it won't be long before we go our separate ways to follow our own goals. What I am about to say may be wrong, or may be exaggerated for adults who have more experiences in life, or even for myself a few years later. But this is the opinion of present me. As high school students, things usually go our way. If we fail, teachers can conduct a retest or assign projects for bonus points. However, when we get to the real world, there won't be any retests. There won't be any bonuses. If we fail, then we fail, and we have to deal with it. When the world turns its back on us, we will have no one to rely on but ourselves to stand again and endure for our own happiness, and all the effort we put into building ourselves will pay off then. That is why I believe it is important to learn how to recover from mistakes from a young age. Failures are only failures if you don't learn from them, if you don't grow from the experience. I have decided to own my mistakes as precious learning experiences instead of letting them consume me. One day, most of us are going to have our own quarter or midlife crisis. Most of us will question what the meaning of our lives is. Most of us will wonder in what way we are special or different from the rest. Truth be told, it is almost impossible for an individual to be extremely special. What makes each and every one of us special is that striving to be the best versions of ourselves that we can be. But at the same time, I also think that self-acceptance is just as important as striving to become better. If the people who surround us love us for who we are, if we love ourselves for who we are, then perhaps it won't matter as much if the world deems other people objectively better. As people, we are social creatures, and we find comfort in human relationships because they redeem us. Loving makes us happy. And I'm not simply talking about romantic love. Family and friends can take you a long way. I am grateful for all of my experiences in high school. They are certainly some of the most memorable ones that I've had in my young life. I learned a lot, thanks to my parents, my teachers, and to you, my batchmates. And I know that I still have much to learn. I am grateful for this opportunity to share some of the things I learned with all of you today. Before I end my speech, I want to acknowledge one of the people who helped mold me into the resilient person that I am today, who was there with me when I was born and was always there for me every day. I may not yet be able to afford luxurious presents because I am still just a student, but I think that graduating is the best gift that I can give you right now. And I did it. Happy birthday, Mama. I hope you like the present and I love you very much. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And to my fellow batchmates moving up with me, I give you my sincerest congratulations. Thank you.
Please rise for the singing of the college hymn to be led by Jane Del Clergo of 10B. We would like to extend our gratitude to the administrators, teachers, and parents for making this affair a successful one. Thank you and good day.